Hey guys, it's me, Allie. Today we are back for another fashion analysis video, and today we are doing none other than the one and only Addison Rae. Yes, I'm showing off my nails. Can we just like take a minute, please? Oh, and it was so dead serious. Today I'm going to be discussing the slayification of Addison Rae, and straight from the horse's mouth, okay? Girl, nobody is rebranding. This is me. Okay, so today we are going to discuss Addison Rae's growth. I am obsessed with her. If you guys haven't heard her EP, she has pop starlet qualities, okay? A lot of people have compared her to Britney because of her iconic paparazzi shots, which, like, it's giving Britney, like, let's not lie. Let's go over some of her fashion staples and her best fashion moments. So if you aren't familiar with Addison Rae, she was a TikTok star, a dancer, magnetic smile. We all know she has the star quality. Addison Rae first came on my radar in a serious way when I saw the news that she was working with Charli XCX and Benny Blanco, writing music, and tapped in just like all the other chronically online gays. And listen, I have since not been disappointed. She is in cahoots with Charli. Songs are cute, they're amazing, I'm rooting for her. She is very Britney-esque, okay? But yeah, I'm not here to talk about her TikTok era because I'm just gonna be honest, I wasn't there. I wasn't into TikTok like that at that time, but I do know that she was very popular. She's a cute girly, you know, she's a cute girly, but this Addison, oof. Now let's just remember, Addison is like 22 years old, okay? So this isn't any sort of rebrand she's going through. She wants it to be known that this is literally just her growing up and finding herself. This quote is from an interview in Interview magazine, I think. I haven't read it, but I seen the picture and I'm like, okay, that is tea. One thing about Addison Rae is that she is genuinely a sweet and smart girl, okay? Like, a lot of people can judge her for the TikTok stuff when she was like literally a child, but I think that she's really smart. She knows her references. She has studied the pop culture playbook, okay? She always posts the cutest Pinterest reference pictures on her story of like Britney, Madonna, Gaga, Pamela Anderson, like 2000s icons, anything like that. And I'm always like, ugh, Addison, you know ball. We have to talk about this iconic Halloween costume she did, which was a cosplay remaking of Lady Gaga's performance, the MTV VMAs in 2009. I could be completely wrong, but it's the one where she did paparazzi and she was like bleeding. And oh my god, Addison's recreation was so good. She was giving the emotion, she was giving everything. I'm like, this is tea. And the fact that she even wanted to do that in the first place, I also did a Gaga costume last year, so I completely understand. So I think the main focus of Addison's personal style is definitely Y2K. I'm sure she would say this herself. A direct quote from Addison actually in Vogue is that her style icons are Fran from The Nanny and Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen, which totally makes sense because she definitely grew up watching Mary-Kate and Ashley movies and stuff like that. So I'm obsessed. I also totally get it. But yeah, I feel like Addison's style is a mix of like traditional Y2K with like the modern flair. I was watching Buffy with my friends about a week ago and I realized, wow, like 90s and Y2K fashion was actually a lot simpler than what we're doing now. Everything's a little bit less exuberant, like less accessories. They kind of let the clothes speak for themselves, and I feel like Addison kind of does that. So speaking about her personal style, let's get into some of her cute off-duty looks. Addison has gone viral so many times just for these photos, and I don't even care if she's calling the paparazzi on herself, okay, because I would too. These pictures are so cute and the body is tea. She is frequently seen going to Pilates or dance or workout classes wearing like cute little like ballet inspired things, mini shorts, tank tops. Ugh, it's just so cute. She also always has a cute little mini bag. She loves this red Prada mini bag and I love that she wears it all the time. She doesn't just like wear something once and keep it in the closet like some people, me. Another important landmark of Addison Rae's personal style is cute graphic tees, which you can also see in her paparazzi shots. She loves a sassy little graphic tee and I can 100% relate, so I absolutely love her for this. I'm not sure where she shops, but it gives Almighty, it gives Blondita. If you know any other shops like that, leave them in the comments so everyone can go shop. So after the Benny Blanco, Charli XCX writing news, I kind of was like, whoa, okay, Addison's on my radar. And then in 2022, I saw this shoot that she did with Asaly. I'm not sure how to say her name, but she's a photographer. And I saw these pictures and was like, oh my god, that is like a pop icon. Like, these pictures ooze Britney Spears, like, girl next door sex appeal. Like, I know that you guys know what I'm saying, okay? I just love this photo shoot. Ever since this photo shoot, I knew she was that girl, okay? I knew. I feel like this shoot was the first time that we got to see Addison as, like, a woman, and I can't find all the pictures from the shoot because some of them were very Britney inspired and very cutesy and girly, but some of them were so grown. The body was tea, it was beautiful, and I was like, wait, this is not a little kid. This is an icon we're dealing with. Next on the list of Addison's icon solidifying fashion moments is the campaign she did with Praying and Adidas, which was literally like a single photo of her in the bikini that says Father and Son. The bottom says Holy Spirit, but it was just the top half. She's just looking down. I just know they took that photo in 5 minutes on a digicam and she was paid like $50,000. Like, she ate, and I vividly remember everyone on Twitter was calling her demonic. Like, it's a bikini. But once you hit the demonic Satanism Illuminati allegations, that's how you know you made it. So again, we have icon solidifying moves here. So now we are heading into Addison's rockstar girlfriend era, and what I mean by this is her boyfriend Omer Fedi, I believe is his name. He's a songwriter, producer, I'm not exactly sure, but he does have a credit on Charlie's new album Brat, so there's a little bit of a connection there. But anyways, she's with her music producer boyfriend, she's traveling, she's seeing new life, she's meeting new people, and I think she's realizing that she can be herself and not have to be so TikTok, hee hee, yay, I'm smiling all the time. You know what I mean? Even though that is her personality, she kind of realized she can let the edgy side out. So the rockstar girlfriend era of Addison Rae is absolutely my favorite. She was turning looks. Okay, I can't describe it other than rockstar girlfriend, like kind of grungy, but also pop star-y, sexy, like all of the above. So this is all leading up to the release of Addison's EP, which actually leaked months before. I have it downloaded onto my computer as we speak. But I feel like there was so much love from the chronically online gays asking her to release it all the time that she actually did end up releasing 3 of the songs and then another song that wasn't on it, which was the Charlie feature, so we had to stand. I feel like because this music was in the works for so long, the cover and everything were kind of like, not old, but Addison was like really finding herself and changing as the album was still coming out. So you can see some of the pictures and stuff here compared to what she wore to her release party, which was so cute to me. I'm like, okay, she's really in her gay club bag. Anyways, after the album release, we have to talk about Thanksgiving, which I'm just gonna tell you right now, spoilers ahead. Okay, if you haven't seen the movie Thanksgiving, Addison Rae is in the movie. It's by Eli Roth, who is so legendary. If you haven't seen The Green Inferno, which features Sky Ferreira for like 5 minutes, go watch that movie, but like trigger warning because that movie is scary as fuck. Thanksgiving is not as bad. Please don't get scared. Go watch Thanksgiving. I think it's on Netflix. I'm not sure. Addison's in it, and here come the spoilers, so if you haven't seen the movie, skip ahead like 30 seconds. Addison Rae is not the lead in the movie, but she survives. Everybody fucking else dies except for the lead girl and Addison, so I feel like they definitely set this bitch up for a Final Girl sequel, okay? She's officially achieved Final Girl status. Now I just need her to be the lead in Thanksgiving 2. That's all I had to say about Thanksgiving. I was so excited when I saw the end of the movie and she survived. So now let's talk about her fashion and her work in 2023 with stylist Ryan Hastings. So I remember Addison's looks from last year and like all her red carpets being so cunty. Like I was so obsessed with them. I was like, who is her stylist? Finally, for this video, I did the research and I found out it's Ryan Hastings, who also does Anya Taylor-Joy, which is another person. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did a poll of who I should do next, and Anya Taylor-Joy was on there because I am obsessed with her looks for the press tour of Furiosa and Anya Taylor-Joy's rebrand, kind of. So it made me super happy to find out that it was Ryan Hastings. Ryan Hastings also has worked with Natalie Portman, Mia Goth, Timothy Chalamet, and Taylor Russell, which are some of the it people of our past couple years. I'm gonna read you guys a little quote on Addison's process working with Ryan. She says, "The process has been perfect. I simply just trust his vision. Ryan never shies away from asking me what I feel the most confident and comfortable in, and I think that's why everything reads beautifully. I feel confident and Ryan helps me get there effortlessly." So I feel like there's definitely some choice pulls from Ryan Hastings, but they're all so Addison, and she turns out everything. Actually so cool that the owner of this vintage store that Addison met her stylist at said, "In a way, Addison reminded me of a long time ago when we dressed Kate Moss, Winona Ryder and Naomi Campbell in vintage during the 90s, she says. They were very young at the time and everyone wanted to dress them, but they were intent on charting this independent path where they could define what well-dressed meant for themselves. Fashion was a part of how they shaped her futures. I don't know what our future is with Addison, but she's been incredibly gracious, and this was a moment where she decided to go on her own way. So this press tour had me gagged with the choices. It was all archival fashion. Let's go ahead and look at some of her red carpet shots. Not all of them are from like the Thanksgiving press, and I'm not sure if Ryan Hastings styled all of them, but let's just assume he styled a majority of them because they are all very cunty. So first we have Addison in this beautiful Cavalli gown at the Academy Museum Gala. She looks so beautiful. I love the cut and how it makes her waist look so snatched. The lack of jewelry makes you just kind of focus on her and the body, so I love this dress. I'm just gonna be so honest with you. I love this look, but I don't know how to pronounce anything that's going on here. So she is at the LACMA Art and Film Gala in vintage Jean-Louis de Cherrer, which I love this gown. I love the huge plunge. I love the choker that's going on. It's just so cute to me. Next, I know this is styled by Ryan Hastings. This is Addison and Gareth Pugh, which is this adorable, like, hooded turtleneck dress, and it is so cute on her. This look is one of my favorites, but I could not find like who designed this piece or what pieces these are. I'm gonna assume Addison bought them at the vintage store that she met her stylist at because that is just so cunty. But yeah, this is the Women in Film Honors in 2022. Oh, this dress is so cute. This was the 2023 Golden Globes after party in Versace, and this gown is just so beautiful on her. I love the ruching, and of course she looks gorgeous. I am not sure, I could not find who did this dress, but I love this dress on her. We have a Betsy Johnson moment. Oh my god, this is one of my favorites, and I believe the choker is Dior. So cute. I love the way she styled it, and I love the dress. Obsessed. Another iconic Ryan Hastings styling moment is this Mugler red suit. It is so cute. I'm not sure when it's from, but I'm assuming the late 80s. It is so cute on her though. That is such like a major moment. I feel like sometimes the girls are afraid of turning like a real classic look. They always want to go for like the sexy crutch, which I understand. I can relate, okay? But Addison is not afraid of like really turning a fashion look, so I love that for her. There's also this photo shoot that she did for her fragrance line, which I low-key really want a fragrance from the line. But it's this photo shoot of her in like a very short wig, and she's like biting into apples, and it gives very Eve, you know, like Adam and Eve. But I saw that shoot and I was like, oh, this is everything so cunty. Like, she's not afraid to go there, you know what I'm saying? Another Versace look, I think this is from 2021 where she was attending their show, but she is so cute. She's doing the pink thing before the whole Barbie thing, so slay. And then we also have to go back in time and mention this MTV Movie Awards look styled by La Roche. This was during the Obsessed era, I believe. And then of course Addison at the Met Gala in Gucci. This was 2021, and you could see she does look a little baby here, which is so cute. I would say this is definitely the start of Addison's real fashion development, which is really cool when you think about it. The start of your fashion journey being at the freaking Met Gala. I feel like now in 2024, especially with her involvement with Charlie, Addison's new aesthetic is very much indie sleaze, Tumblr revival, give no fucks, and I love that for her. It very much started with this Anna Bolena picture. Actually, it's a picture of Addison, but she's wearing an Anna Bolena dress. It says, do whatever the fuck you want, who gives a fuck, or something like that. And I feel like she's just not afraid to wear like cute tights. She's not afraid to wear like a patterned pair of pants. Oh my god, she's in like a paperboy hat phase, which is iconic because I also have like 7 paperboy hats in all different colors. So I'm obsessed with that. She also loves a fur coat, okay, which you can't be like a pop icon without loving a fur coat. It works, you know? So as I was getting ready to film this video, there is actual news. So Addison performed on stage with Charlie last night on Charlie's Little Brat tour in LA. And first of all, she was serving, okay? Like, you can't tell me this isn't Britney's daughter. Like, this is Britney's daughter. After the show, Addison teased on Twitter that she has new music coming, and it's very exciting. I mean, she didn't actually say anything, but she put her website link and this cute video of her walking underwater. doing very Addison Rae things, which she was walking in heels, might I add, which is very like indie sleaze, so I'm very excited. Someone quoted the video and put Ray of Light as in like R-A-E of light, like Madonna, and I was like, T, she's coming. Addison said that her wish list consists of Balenciaga's velvet and tulle mermaid dress from 1951 or something from Alexander McQueen's archive. It's truly fulfilling to carry on the legacy a fashion piece leaves behind. So Addison, we will be watching because I know that McQueen moment is coming. All in all, I just think Addison Rae is really interesting as a fashion girly. I think she knows her references. I think she has what it takes to be a pop icon, and I'm supporting her. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what your favorite Addison Rae look is, and let me know who you want to see me do a video on next, because I'm really leaning towards Anya Taylor-Joy, but I also have JT on my radar. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I had such an amazing brat week that I got it fucking tattooed. So yeah, I'm just like, I've been super happy. Thank you guys for all the support, and I love you so much. So, mwah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.